This is June 21, paper 1, 2, and question number 7. A projectile is fired from point P with velocity v at an angle theta to the horizontal. It lands at point Q as we can see. A horizontal distance r from point P from the point of firing. Its r is basically its range. Air resistance is negligible so that the only force is the weight and the acceleration is uniform. So we can say that the acceleration will be g and it will be acting vertically downwards. The acceleration of free fall is g. Which equation for r is correct? So first of all, we need to know that u will be equal to v, and the components will be u horizontal will be equal to u cos of theta, and u vertical will be equal to u sine of theta. And as you see, u is equal to v, so we can write it as v cos theta, and this one will be v sine theta. Now, if we want to find the range, then first of all, we need to have the time of flight. The time of flight is basically the time to reach the maximum height and then the time to return the ground. At this point, the vertical velocity is 0, and here the initial vertical velocity is, as you see, u sine theta, which is in this case v sine theta. So acceleration will be taken as negative g as it is downwards, and we have to calculate the time to reach this point. Let's calculate that. With these variables, the equation that we can apply, it is v vertical is equal to u vertical plus a vertical into time. And v vertical is 0, u vertical is, as you see, v sine theta, because u is v here. So the initial velocity u is v and a vertical is negative g, and this will be multiplied with time. So this will become 0 is equal to v sine theta minus gt. That will become negative v sine theta is equal to negative gt. As a result, it will be, we can get gt is equal to v sine of theta, and t will be equal to v sine theta whole over g. So this is time to reach the maximum height. So now, if time to reach the maximum height is v sine theta over g, then the overall time of flight will become, you can see that the overall time of flight will be time to reach the maximum height and then time to return to the ground. So basically, we can go with this time is v sine theta over g. And from the other side, time to return the ground, this will also be equal to v sine theta whole over g. So what would be the overall time? The overall time of flight 2t will become 2v sine theta whole divided by g. Now, if we want to calculate the range of the projectile, then it can be written as range is basically the horizontal displacement. We can say that S horizontal, and it will be equal to U horizontal into the time of flight is 2t. So it will become U horizontal is equal to V cos theta, because in this example, U is V, and 2t will become 2 times of v sine theta over g. So what we'll get is, it will become 2 times v square sine theta cos theta whole divided by g. So which option is correct? If we look for different options, then it is obviously 2v square sine theta cos theta over g. Answer should have been B. So B is the correct option. So this was question number 7, and the answer B is a correct option for question number 7. Now students, we are moving on.